Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert Word file in Excel. We are going to open the Excel document. When you do so, open the Insert menu and click on Object. After that, you must go to the tab Create from File. Click on the Browse button and select the Word file. Click on Insert. Then check the box Display as Icon. Click on OK. You can see the icon of the Word file. You can adjust its size and place it wherever you want within Excel. When you double-click on the file, the Word document will open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.